Hi, my name's Matt Gorgeous. I'm the owner of Unlimited Collision and RV. We started this project, Tino Jr. and I, about 3 years ago, February 2014. Since that startup, we've went from zero to approximately about 5 million a year. My background consists of heavy collision repair and auto. I started that back in Reno, Nevada with my father and my brothers. We had a business up there for 30 years, Silver State Auto Body and Frame. Our whole shop is now iCar Gold. Basically, we invested $80,000 in welders. They're all pro spot. We can work on aluminum, high temper, low alloy steels with the manufacturers nowadays. A lot of different metals that they use and the tensile strengths to protect the passenger compartment. We can put roofs on RVs, we can do the fiberglass repair, we can do mechanical repair, we do collision repair, major reconstruction, just like we do on the cars. We do the same thing for RVs. We replace whole sidewalls, we pull the slide outs out, we can pull the frame. Basically, there's nothing that we can't do here at Unlimited Collision. We specialize in high-end paint. We use nothing but Sikkens. It's a top-of-the-line European paint used on BMWs, Porsches, Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces. We also have a state-of-the-art 60-foot spray booth. It has 2 air makeup units. It goes from 60 degrees to 160 degrees in a minute and a half. Our customers come first here at Unlimited Collision. We work for you, we don't work for the insurance company, but we do work with your insurance company rather well. We're here to fix your car properly. We're here to use the proper materials and parts to provide you with an OEM finish on your vehicle, whether it be a 1950s car all the way up to a 2017. We have the technology to work on your vehicle. All of our technicians are certified on all the metals and the metallurgy that we have to deal with. We can do mechanical work related to the accident, safety checks throughout every repair to make sure that your lights are working properly. We've followed up all the procedures that the manufacturer has laid out for us when we repair their vehicles. I'd like to thank all of you for your time, and come on by and see what we have going here at Unlimited Collision. Please visit our website at www.unlimitedcollisionaz.com.